Hi guys, today we are going to look at our Echo Dot. Not any Echo Dot, but Amazon Echo Dot with Alexa. Amazon Echo Dot. Okay, so you can add Alexa to any room. I'll teach you that later. So now let's see. Alexa, this is what you're supposed to say. The wake up word is Alexa, so you can say this. Alexa, play today's top hits. Alexa, call mom. What's the weather today? Yeah. Okay, plugging time. So you're supposed to plug it in here. First step, and after you plug it, done. Now let's wait. Okay, Alexa, came. So change it. Okay, now Alexa will do it. Now let's use our computer. You can either use your Alexa app or the website. Now let's get started. Wait for the orange line first, please. Plug your Echo Dot into a power outlet. After about a minute, when the light turns from blue to orange, tap continue. I don't see any light, so I'm just gonna press don't see the orange light thing. Okay, so press the action button for 6 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
See that? That's cool. Now let's continue. Okay, now connect your computer to your Echo Dot. It's there. Amazon Line Access. Okay, it's connected. Okay, now let's continue. Continue. Please wait. Scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Okay. For me, it's Intel 6988, so done. It'll take a while for Alexa to get it.
Your Echo is ready.
See that? Okay, but even though it said it's ready, actually it's not that ready. You just need to wait for this to happen. Yep, and see, now your Echo Dot is online. Okay, your Echo Dot is now connected to the internet. Tap to continue. Okay, you don't need to read all that. And let's continue. And here you can connect to Bluetooth speaker, connect AUX cable. Okay, but I don't use any of that, so I'm gonna use built-in Echo speaker. So this is pair your Echo Dot with an internal speaker using Bluetooth. That's the first one. Then connect the Echo Dot into an external speaker using an audio cable. And use built-in Echo speaker, and that is don't use any external speaker with your Echo Dot. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use just the built-in one. So it's just Echo Dot. Nothing I don't want to connect. Okay? But you can do a different choice if you want. Okay, by the way, who needs this? Now let's just go to next. And then Amazon Prime, okay, enjoy unlimited and ad-free streaming of millions of songs, hundreds of playlists and stations. Also get access to voice ordering from Amazon India on your Echo device, because my one is Amazon India. Yeah, so there are lots of features from it. If you want to check it out, you just need to go to the Amazon app. But if you don't live in US, you can actually go to the website and find out what's there. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and bye.